We are so excited to be launching Actor Mode in ElevenLabs Studio today. Actor Mode allows you to precisely control the delivery of a script spoken by an AI voice using your own voice as a guide. So you can change the pacing, the intonation, the emphasis of a given line simply by reading it out yourself and having the AI voice effectively mimic you. Let me show you what I mean. I have a Scottish ElevenLabs voice here called Finlay, and he's reading out this famous section from Hamlet. Now, I think Finlay's delivery is a little bit boring. I think he rushes through this opening to be or not to be section and doesn't emphasize the words that I would emphasize if I was reading this. So let me show you what this sounds like just by default.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against the sea of troubles, and by opposing end them.
Now this is already good, but I want to change it. I want to take more time and have more space in those opening to be or not to be words. I want to emphasize the word that. And just to illustrate how this feature works, I'm going to really emphasize the word outrageous as well. So, to use Actor Mode, I'm going to select this text. I'm going to click Direct Speech with your voice. And then I can upload a previous recording of myself reading this out, or I can record it right now in ElevenLabs Studio. So let's record right now. I'll select my microphone, and I will read this out the way that I would like Finlay to read it out. To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing, end them. Now, I am no actor, but I think that reading is slightly more engaging and just a little bit more dramatic than the first one that we heard. So I'm going to click Generate, and we will hear Finlay read this line out in the way that I just delivered it.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing, end them.
So this is a really fun feature. It opens up so much creative potential for your voiceovers or for your audiobooks or whatever else you are using ElevenLabs for. And we think you're going to have a lot of fun playing with Actor Mode. So we cannot wait to see what you make and enjoy using ElevenLabs Studio.